Hi, I'm Jeff with Pinellas Ponds and Waterfalls. We just wrapped up another beautiful pondless waterfall here in Pinellas Park, Florida. Check it out. From their screened-in enclosure, they now have a relaxing area right from their pool to the sounds of a waterfall. Walk out the screened-in enclosure. And you get the sounds of this. They have 2 dogs, and the dogs have already started enjoying it, relaxing in the water on a hot July day. This waterfall comes with an energy efficient pump, 3 LED lights, and you can see it from multiple views. The dogs have a little doggy door, and they don't like all the grass and dirt being tracked in, so we made a little rock pathway for them. We have a nice big rock berm. These plants will start taking off very shortly. Probably by the end of the day, the water is going to be crystal clear. So if you're interested in a water feature like this, or any type of water feature, please don't hesitate to give us a call.